A.
Excuse me, which platform does the train to Cambridge leave from?
The 10:15 train or the 10:40?
The 10:15.
The 10:15 train leaves from platform 3.
Thanks.
B.
Hi, could I have a ticket for the next train to Manchester, please?
A single or return?
Single, please.
The next train is at 12:30 p.m, leaving from platform 2.
And how much is it?
£13.50.
C. Tickets, please. Can I see a ticket, please?
Yes, here you are.
This ticket is for Oxford.
Yes, that's right.
But this train doesn't go to Oxford. It goes to Liverpool.
What? Liverpool? Oh no!
D.
The next train arriving at platform 1 is the 15:45 train to Exeter, stopping at Bristol Temple Meads and arriving at Exeter St David's at 18:30.
E.
What time is our train back to London?
It leaves at 4:30. We've only got 5 minutes.
What platform does it leave from?
Platform 2. Look over there.
I can't see our train anywhere. Let me see the ticket. Look, it says 4:20, not 4:30.
Oh no, we've missed it.
No, we haven't. It's late. Look, here it is now.
Phew, that was lucky.
This recording was brought to you by the British Council. To find others like it, visit www.britishcouncil.org/Learn English Teens.